China has made remarkable strides in economic growth and innovation. Here are 10 key areas where China is leading the way. High-tech manufacturing. China is a global leader in smart factories, AI-driven production, and robotics, boosting efficiency and quality. New energy vehicles, NEVs. China dominates the electric vehicle market, exporting over 1.28 million units in 2024. Green energy and sustainability investments in solar, wind, and hydropower have made China a top player in renewable energy. AI and digital innovation. China is advancing AI-powered manufacturing, helping businesses create multilingual product videos for global markets. Infrastructure and smart cities. China's high-speed rail system and smart city projects are transforming urban development. Private sector growth. A new private sector promotion law ensures fair competition and strengthens entrepreneurial confidence for e-commerce and fintech platforms like Alibaba and JD.com are revolutionizing online shopping and digital payments. Global trade and investment. China is expanding economic partnerships, including a China-Brazil finance conference to boost cross-border investments. Scientific research and innovation. China leads in biotechnology, quantum computing, and space exploration, pushing the boundaries of science. International business collaboration events like CSITE 2025 connect Chinese innovation with global opportunities, fostering economic growth.